Now, in this lesson, we're going to do some arithmetic operations so you can have some experience, because there are some quite different arithmetic operations in Python as compared to the simple math. So let's create two variables here. X will be equal to 5 and y will be equal to 11. And then let's print y%x. And what this means is that simply when you divide y to x, you obviously have something left, because x is not a common divisor of y. So for that reason, the result here will be 1. And you can see that, okay? And then this is one of the most weird symbols that you might not see. And the other symbol, for example, how you're gonna write, let's say 2 to the third. So in Python you can simply write this, and this means 2 to the third, or 2 to the power of 3. And obviously if I run the code, you should get 8 here, okay? Because 2 to the power of 3 is 8, and this is how you write powers in Python. If you want to increment x by some number, you can either write x equals x plus y. So everything on the left side is what we're going to take the values, and on the right side are the actual values that are going to be used for the equation. So here there is no problem to do that. This means that here x will be equal to the previous value of x, which is 5, plus 11, which is going to be 16. Okay, so let's run the code. And actually you are getting nothing because you need to print x, so I write print x, and now you can see we're getting 16. An easier way to write this is by simply writing x plus equals y, okay? And this means the same as the other equation. It is just more simple way and faster way to do the same operation, and you're getting 16. Obviously you can do this for every operation. X multiplied equals y, or x minus equals y, and so on.